Hi everyone, this is George with PWR. Hey, I'm going to tell you about an exciting new member benefit available to you on June 1st. Showing time will be available to all PWR agents. You can access it through the MLS, you can access it on your tablet, or you can access it through the mobile app on your smartphone. The purpose of Showing Time is to allow agents to schedule showing appointments of your listings so that there's less back and forth with email, voicemail, that sort of thing. This allows you to instantly see who wants to show your property and to get the immediate feedback, more importantly, on how the showing went so that you can share that with your sellers. It's an exciting new environment. We're very pleased to be providing this to you as a free member benefit. Again, on June 1st, you'll see a new icon inside of the MLS. When you click on that icon, that's how you will schedule the showing for that particular property. So please join us in our Showing Time classes that are going to be coming this week. Just go to the PWR website, go ahead and click on the link for the Showing Time class and register there, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.